Hey guys, welcome to NC Outdoor Dad. Today we're going to be working. Like I said, I just want to make sure that everything is good to go. I want to fasten all of the bolts and stuff on the frame. Um, Pretty much the frame, I'm going to leave it like this. I should be receiving some of the engine parts today, so that's kind of why I changed scenarios. I'm kind of under the tree, getting a little bit of shade, just to work on the bike and hopefully get the engine done sometime this afternoon. Stay tuned. Shit, we don't even let the Amazon truck pull up. We don't even let the Amazon truck pull up. We need them parts. We need them parts. Prime baby. Let me get them parts, baby. Parts, baby. Welcome back, everybody. We're doing something different today, so I'm gonna be working on assembling the motor. Rebuilding this engine has been a freaking nightmare all around, from parts to pistons to just everything in general. Just been crazy. It's been crazy. Oh, shit. We're gonna see what we got going on, and we're gonna give it our all. That's all we can do. Gonna get these things done for the boy. Lubricate this freaking pin. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. You got you the shit that I gotta deal with? How the fuck? 44mm piston assembly kit. Motherfucker, get the fuck away from me, dog. I was there. I'm not leaning to. Nigga. So far, so good. I don't think we're gonna be able to use this this pipe. It doesn't take a crystal ball.